Like, subscribe, and get notified.
जे नॉर्थाकसून सावथाक शिफ्ट करूंक सोदतात ताचे बाबतींत जे शिफ्ट करूंक सोदतात ताचे साउथ गोवन से नो टू सांगोन. तर आमी हे सांगोनाक नो कित्याक म्हणटा? बिकॉज वी आर एक्सेसिव नॉइज पोल्यूशन which disrupts our communities आणि ते कायदे पाडिनात. आता ते कायदे पाडिनात म्हणून कोण सांगता? इवन हायकोर्ट. आता हायकोर्टाचोच एक स्टेटमेंट तुमच्या मुखार दवरता. हायकोर्ट सेज breaches or violation repeatedly occurred on all 3 days of the festival as per Goa State Pollution Control Board report. And still the Goa State Pollution Control Board nor the police were able to do anything about it. And this is from High Court. And I hope this is enough evidence to know why we oppose this Sangun festival. आता एक गोष्ट तुमच्या मुखार दवरता. इन 2016 हे सांगोन फेस्टिवल ऑर्गनायझरांनी पुना करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो, पूण ते पुनाक तांकां ते गांवच्या लोकांनी करूंक दिवंक ना. त्या गांवचें नांव केसनट विलेज. थंयचो एक ड्युपिटी सरपंच उबो रावलो आनी ताणें सांगलें, वाचून दाखयता. Many villagers feel that festival offers free ground for illicit activities and therefore should not be allowed to take place in our village. And हे ग्राउंडाचेर तांकां तेमी सांगोन फेस्टिवल करूंक दिवंक ना. And this is what we are expecting from our village panchayat and we hope they will do it. आनीक एक गोष्ट तुमच्या मुखार दवरता. थोडे दीस फाटीं आयज ऑगस्टाची 22 तारीख 7 दीस फाटीं ऑगस्टाचे 15 तारखेर इंडिपेंडन्स डे त्या दिसाक अंजुना गांवचे लोक तांकां रातच्या 10:30 वरांक पुलीस स्टेशनार वयचे पडले नॉइज पोल्युशना खातीर. तातूंत इवन इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आमचो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट बाब मिर्यातूय आसलो. आनी त्या पुलिसांनी सगळे कडेन गांवच्या लोकां कडेन भासाभास करून तांकां आश्वासन दिलें की नाव विल टेक केअर ऑफ दिस सिच्युएशन एंड नो मोर साउंड पोल्युशन इश्यू, सो यू ऑल गो होम. आनी तो लोक बाबडो खुशाल जावन घरा गेले. मे बी सम ऑफ देम इवन सेलिब्रेटेड. पूण अजापाची गोष्ट म्हळ्यार रातच्या 1 वराचेर ती म्युझिक परती सुरू जाली. नाव दिस इज शॉकिंग एंड डिस्टर्बिंग incident which highlights the deteriorating law and order situation of Goa. They even disregard this MP elected representative. And this is a tight slap not only on villagers, tight slap on every concerned Goikar. Remember, आयजूच धरी धरी कितलें आनी आमी हाचेर ओगी रावले जाल्यार फाल्यां कितलें जावचें ना. दुसऱ्यांक जालां, म्हाका कित्याक पडलां? नो, इनफ इज इनफ. We need to do something. So what do we do about it? The first step is stop blaming others. Take the responsibility. आमी तांकां पयलीं बोट घालपाक एलाव केल्यात आनी आतां ते हात घालपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. And we must also understand most of our problems are actually due to our ignorance. Because of lack of understanding, people generally accept this noise pollution as part of their life. So what is the solution? Awareness. And that is what this our team is trying to do today through this press conference. Awareness. And we request you media people also do your part. Let's do the awareness and together we can make a difference in our community. आता गोयचो गव्हर्नमेंट त्या नॉइज पोल्युशनाचेर कितें सांगूंक सोदता? आमच्या गोयच्या गव्हर्नमेंटाची गॅझेटी ताच्या प्रमाणे कमर्शियल एरिया रातच्या टायमार 55 dB इज परमिसेबल, नॉट अबाव दॅट. रेजिडेन्शियल एरिया रातचे 45 dB इज परमिसेबल. आता हे dB म्हणजे कितें? आता आम्ही जेन्ना हुस्कार घेता तेन्ना एक बारीक नॉइज जाता, हार्टबीट. द वॉइस, ब्रिदिंग वॉइस तो 10 dB आसता. जेन्ना दोग जाण नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन करता, दोग जाण उलयता, that noise is 60 dB. जेन्ना आमी रस्त्यार एम्बुलन्स वा पोलीस सायरन वाजतात तो 120 dB. आता हांवें 3 dB सांगल्या. 10 dB the breathing noise, 60 dB normal conversation and siren 120 dB. Government म्हणटा residential place 45 dB maximum, commercial place 55 dB, in between is 50 dB. Now what is 50 dB? आमच्या घरांनी जी फ्रीज असता, रेफ्रिजरेटर, that is considered as 50 dB. Now residential area permissible is 45, means less than fridge noise. Commercial area 55 permissible, less than normal conversation. हे आम्ही गोंयकारांनी पयली जाणून जावन घेवपाची गरज आसा. आता दुसरी खबर म्हळ्यार आम्ही गोंयकारांक उदास करता. हे जे पॉल्युशन बोर्ड आसा ते तांचे कायदो करतात काय आनी ते तो करिना जाल्यार आमी हाचेर उपाय कितें करप. आता अंजुनाचो लोक बाबरो रातच्या घरात तेपार ते हेचेर गेले आनी तांकां कोणूच हिशोब दिना, तांचो कोणूच केअर करिना. आनी आमी हे पोलीस कंट्रोल बोर्ड तांकां पयशे फारीक करता तांचें काम करपाक. रिमेंबर, तांकां जी सॅलरी मेळटा ते आमच्या टॅक्साचे पयशे. जायत्या जाणांक दिसता फक्त गिरेस्त लोक टॅक्स फारीक करता म्हणून. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. जेन्ना आमी 1 लिटर पेट्रोल घेता ताचेर 1 लिटराचेर 60% टॅक्स फारीक करता. म्हणजे 1000चे पेट्रोल घेतलें जाल्यार ताचेर 600 रुपया आमी टॅक्स फारीक केला आनी फक्त 400 रुपयांचे पेट्रोल घेतला. जेन्ना आमी कपडे घेता, सगळे कपडे घेता, त्या कपड्याचे जोरी जर 1000चे आमी कपडे घेतले जाल्यार त्या कपड्याचो प्राइस फक्त 800 आनी 200 आमी टॅक्स फारीक करता. आनी हे टॅक्साच्या पयशांचेर गव्हर्नमेंट चलता. आनी तर आमी हांकां काम करपाक पयशे फारीक करतात आनी ते काम करिना जाल्यार हो फायदो कितें आमी टॅक्स फारीक करून. आनी हायकोर्ट सांगता दे आर नॉट डुईंग देयर जॉब, इज ऑन रेकॉर्ड. तो गोंयकारांक एक उदास करता. 1967 आमच्या जाणटेल्यांनी जे आमकां गोंय सांबाळून दवरलेलें ते आमकां गोंयकारांक फ्रीडम मेळपाक. आमच्या गोंयकारांक रातची न्हीद पिड्यार करून, आमच्या गोंयकारांचो पासेस पिड्यार करून, सुशेग पिड्यार करून, आमच्या गोंयच्या बायलांक रातच्या 2-3 वरांचेर पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर वचपाक न्हय आनी ह्या भायल्या धुडवांकारांक गोंयांत येवन इकॉनॉमी करपाक न्हय. आणि जी टीम हांगा म्हज्या सांगाताक बसल्या, दे आर थॉटफुल, कमिटेड सिटीजन. दे आर कमिटेड टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ आवर कम्युनिटी. दे आर कमिटेड टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर एनवायरमेंट, टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर युनिक कल्चर, and most importantly, they are committed to protect the future of our youth. And remember, the youth who are most vulnerable for these harmful influences associated with this Sangwan festival. And youth means our future. And we need to protect our future. And together we can do it. So let's do it. Thank you.
You see, we have come together with Chief William Vitkekar because they are concerned about our youth. And so are we. We are seniors now, many of us are seniors now. We have our own children and we don't want this sort of festivals to take place in Goa. We are at the moment opposing it in South Goa because we know what has happened in the north. In 2019, 3 people died, 3 youth died outside the venue of the Sunburn Festival. And still Goa government does not realize the impact, the bad impact that this festival has on the youth, especially on the youth. It should be the work of the government, it should be the responsibility of the government to take care of our youth. On the contrary, we see how Sunburn is taking place. Last moment they are given permissions, and that's what I think they are expecting now, because we have already put tickets on sale. And apparently they have a condition that subject to permissions. But how are they going to refund the amounts? The president of AAP has already filed a complaint, but I don't think anything has happened on that. So what is the government trying to do? I mean, is this the type of tourism that we want in this place? Where, there is only drug dealing and drug consumption, because we know what is happening at Sunburn. 70,000 people cannot come there and just dance for the entire night, without consuming drugs. This doesn't have to be told. Even a child will tell this. But this government doesn't seem to be realizing the harm that it's doing to our youth. And if we do not take care of our youth, I don't know what's the future of this country. Our time has practically gone. But we have to take care of our youth. And I'm surprised that there are some misguided elements that support this because they can support tourism. But we can have many other types of tourism. We don't have to have a Sunburn festival. And we know why Sunburn festival takes place here, because there is a lot of money involved, officially and unofficially. I can say it for sure, because the way even the authorities are behaving, it only proves what they are doing.
आता आम्ही पळयता की सरकार तेंकां इतके वर्सां लास्ट मोमेंट कितें करून परमिशन दिताच न्ही. सो आतां तुमचो फुडलें हें कितें आसतलें? तुमकां दिसता की अशें प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स ओपोज करून हें बंद जातलें काय म्हणून?
आमी एक्चुअली कितें आहा, फॉर द मोमेंट वी आर स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस among people. You see, and the venue is normally taken by them in advance. See, it is only permissions that are given towards us. We are trying now to see that no permissions are given, no venue is going to accept them in South. And in fact, we are going also to appeal to people in the north not to allow them to have these festivals anymore. Because we hear also that they have not paid the Kumnidats. I don't know why they are allowing them to hold these festivals without these payments. This problem of payment has been coming right from, I think, 2018-19 or something. This problem of payments has always been there, and then we will give permission only after. I don't understand this. To give permission subject to payment of the earlier, why the earlier one is not being paid?
No, तुमकां दिसता अशें अपील करून तुमकां दिसता हें परमिशन?
No, we are going from village to village. We are going from resolutions. So we are going to ask them to take it up for the resolution. We have a plan to move into the villages and appeal to people. Because
you will be conveying your position in writing to the authorities now.
Yes, we will do.
We have all the plan, and most important thing what we are doing today is awareness. And we believe people power is the only solution. It's a court, it's less a judgment data. So going court is also we see people last time within 24 hours their license they have been illegal. And till today what action is taken? Nothing. So we believe people power is the only solution. That is what we are doing. And our next steps are सांगला त्याप्रमाणे, but time येता त्याप्रमाणे आम्ही सगळ्यांक उद्दाम करतात. Today is the first press conference. We'll be having more press. Soon we'll follow our flow chart. ते आम्ही right time तुमच्या मुखार दवरतले.
So far we have not done it.
Today is the first day.
But
we have a
we have just formed the group, so yeah, this is our first press conference. We will follow up with the government.
And we don't have a doubt, that we are going to today, even MLA right there, they also think of Goa, but sometimes it is not possible for some reasons. We contacted them, they said they are with us. So we will be analyzing, sitting with them, and I don't have any doubt. The right Goenka Padeha, even the MLA, he knows the situation. They will support us.
Rumors are making around that Sunburn moves like now to Sunset in local events. So what do you have to say on this?
Yeah. Now for me, the rumors means the same thing happened in Pune. It's not rumors datale, but they did not allow it. Why? Because because BPD Sarpanch, he said he don't want it. And as per that, गाँव के लोग नाका प्रयत्न करपा जायना म्हणजे there is a proof here. सो आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांक आतां तेणें सांगलां ते भाशेन आमी अवेरनेस, दॅट इज वॉट वी सेड, वी आर डुईंग द अवेरनेस. आनी एक पाट गांवच्या लोकांक नाका, दॅट वील सी हाऊ दीस पीपल कॅन
And Jaturi Gram Sabha has already taken a resolution.
We have passed a resolution, and in fact, some of the people from the organizers wanted to do a survey in the Venda Industrial Estate. We confronted them and we told them we are not going to allow. There are people staying all over the place, and we will block you. That was made abundantly clear to them.
And we want the government to say, to be accountable for how brazenly these people are selling tickets. On the one hand, they say that they haven't given permissions. How do they sell the tickets then? How is that allowed?
Watch on Herald TV.